Well, trying to get a little bit better with this bundle of wood, and so went from a 1/6 of a cord bag here, put up on 4 pallets, 5 including the one that was already underneath the 6 cord bag, so I wasn't quite bending over and hurting my back quite so much. Made it really easy to work this across the table and throw it into the 6 cord bag here on our telehandler. Now we'll take all of this, throw it in the wrapper, and then just keep making the bundles for the hardware store. So if we can earn your business with the sales quote on anything from SplitForce or Brute Force, Halverson wood products, AM machinery trailers, or our firewood bags, please give me a phone call. It's 833-SPLITTER. It's 833-775-4887. You can email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. And over there on the website, shaverequipment.com, are all of the firewood bags, whether it's the 6th cord bag, the 3rd cord bags, or even the new barrel bags. They're all available online in 4 different order quantities each. The pallet quantity is the cheapest per bag price, and we deliver the pallet to a commercial address for free. So give us a phone call, shoot us an email. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button here on the channel so you can stay up to date on everything we have going on. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.